The monkey's hungry. I hate Mondays. I hate having to start with a week equal to the previous ones and feel alive only on the weekend. My monkey is unhappy and can become dangerous. I have to do it all again. I have to turn on the computer and go to Google, but I would like some chaos in my life, break this perfection. The monkey's hungry. The monkey's hungry. Do something innovative and shake the system. The monkey's crazy. He can't take another week like this, and I have to feed my monkey something. The monkey's hungry. We do something unexpected, disrupt the system, change the routine, and start giving the monkey adrenaline injections. The monkey's hungry. Life shocks that cancel Monday. Don't hate Mondays. Hate people who push you to always do the same things on Mondays and feed the monkey. Otherwise, he will eat you. The monkey's hungry.